Black History Month is important to me because it's a great way to celebrate the achievements of black people. It's great for me personally to learn more about new people.
Innovation, advancements in society, black people have made a huge contribution to that. If we're talking about black history, we're talking about world history.
There is a black history and there is a black culture, and it's about black heritage. Teach our children so everybody understands where we come from and what we're about.
Do I look powerful?
My name's Adiyatu. I'm a pastry chef and I run my own business called Yatu's Bakery. After we went into lockdown, I thought, well, this could be a few weeks, it could be the whole year. I just thought, well, yeah, now's a good time, why not?
I'm Daniel.
So I'm Kamisi.
We're Drums and Flats. We specialise in all things chicken, a lot of plant-based options as well.
Call it South London soul food. It tastes good, makes you feel good.
Yeah.
We didn't have a background in food necessarily. We did it because we wanted to do it, because we felt passionate about it, because we thought that we could bring something to the table.
My name's Nigel Thompson and my passion's cooking. I do a lot of things on TikTok, Instagram, and I run a Facebook group all about my cooking, which was handed down from my parents. When I was going to school, we had jam roly-poly and chips and things like that. And going home, we used to eat some amazing food, a lot of West Indian food.
Influences from like both Jamaica and Ghana can be felt like
The way you season your food, marinating food.
whether it's in our food, in our passion, in our energy, a lot of that comes from like our background.
Both my parents are from Guinea-Bissau, so I've always grown up eating a lot of hearty, heavy meals, but very delicious. With the food from Portugal, which is where I was born, I'm always trying to constantly remake the traditional desserts and pastries of Portugal.
In celebration of Black History Month, today we'll be making our barbecue buttermilk chicken burger.
That comes with like fresh onions and chilies, our own Drums and Flats barbecue sauce. Obviously, the star of the show is the buttermilk chicken thigh, all tucked away inside a brioche bun.
Feel good, yeah?
I'm making spiced chocolate cupcakes. As I've grown up eating a lot of spicy food, I thought this would be perfect to try and merge spiciness and chocolate, which goes hand in hand together. So I'm using cayenne pepper in this recipe because it gives it a nice extra kick. It goes really well with chocolate.
Today I've made Mama's chicken. It's the recipe that my mum used to cook for us. She told me so many different ingredients. She told my brother so many different ingredients. And it wasn't until experimenting we actually got the taste right. I think she used that to make sure that we're always together. We always speak to each other, and it was a really good thing to do. It's something that is unique to my mum. I've never had it anywhere else. So that's a big thing for me.
After watching Lorraine Pascal on the TV, it really helped me into seeing what my future could be like.
My role models are the elders, if you like, the pioneers that came to Darlington. I learn a lot from my parents. I learn what they went through, and so it's helped drive me on, being determined, being strong, and always being able to move on without carrying grudges.
There's been certain changes because of people like our parents who came here earlier and helped make a difference and kind of lay out the path for us to walk down.
I've been really excited in this last year. I've seen so many people grow their businesses just as I've grown my own. It's really great for me to be able to feel inspired by them, and also for me to be someone who is inspiring other people.
Be fearless. You have as much support as you want and you need in people like us.
There's no such thing as a box. Don't put yourself in one. As long as you're passionate, as long as you understand that it might not come easy, but you've just got to put in the work, then just go for it and do it.